Pinaka-poging content creator na nakilala ko sa balat ng lupa. Idol, sana ma-shoutout mo ako video. Wishang lang naman sana mapansin mo ta idol, kasi matagal na kitang pinapanood.
Okay. Una sa lahat, bago magsimula yung video, gusto ko lang bigyan ng quick shoutout ang aking kaibigan tsaka tropa na si Ruben. Shoutout sa iyo, my idol, my tropa, Ruben. Sana mabuhay ka pa agad sa gusto mo. Ride safe lagi kasi napakaliw mo magbike. Grabe, kung saan-saan ka napapadpad sa mundo. At sana maabot mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Kita-kits tayo soon, ha?
Anyways, video time. DeMarcus Cousins, also known as Boogie, PBA bound na ba soon? There have been multiple rumors surfacing around social media, mainly in Facebook, that former NBA All-Star and former NBA player DeMarcus Cousins, also known as Boogie, will be taking his talents to the Philippines. See what I did there? Anyways, he'll be taking his talents to the Philippine Basketball Association or PBA, where he'll play alongside RHJ or Rondae Hollis Jefferson for the TNT Tropang Giga. So for today's video, papag-usapan natin yung naging career ni DeMarcus Cousins lalo na sa NBA, and titingnan natin kung pwede siya maglaro dito sa Pilipinas, kung kaya pa ba niya, kung he'll be eligible to play in the league. So abangan. The TNT Tropang Giga is eyeing tapping the former NBA superstar DeMarcus Cousins as the reinforcement in the 2024 PBA Commissioner's Cup. DeMarcus Cousins was a 4-time NBA All-Star from 2015 to 2018, 2-time All-NBA second team in 2015 and 2016, back-to-back. He was also part of the NBA All-Rookie First Team in 2011. He was also a McDonald's All-American in 2009. He was a T1 League champion and won Finals MVP and won Most Popular Player of the Year, all in 2024. He was a consensus second team All-American in 2010, and the list just goes on and on. Cousins also represented the United States in both the Olympics and FIBA World Cup. In 2016, they won the gold medal in Rio de Janeiro. In 2014, they also won the gold medal in Spain. He was the 5th overall pick in the first round in the 2010 NBA draft, selected by the Sacramento Kings. Coming out of the University of Kentucky, DeMarcus Cousins played with the Sacramento Kings, New Orleans Pelicans, Golden State Warriors, Houston Rockets, Los Angeles Clippers, Milwaukee Bucks, and Denver Nuggets before leaving the NBA. He then played in Puerto Rico with the Mets de Guaynabo. Following that year, he then played in Taiwan with the Bear Leopards and Mustangs. Throughout his 12 seasons in the NBA, Cousins averaged 19.6 points per game, 1.1 blocks per game, 1.3 steals per game, 3 assists per game, 10.2 rebounds per game, shooting 74% from the free throw line, shooting 33% from the 3, 46% from the field goals, and averaging almost 30 minutes per game. However, there were no stat lines recorded when he played for both Puerto Rico and Taiwan. Para sa akin, he was a dominant and decent center, grabbing monster rebounds and averaging double-doubles per game. However, just like Kemba Walker, injuries held him back, and palipat-lipat na siya ng team after siguro ng injury niya no sa Pelicans, and then yun, nasira yung career niya, and then he moved to Puerto Rico, then to Taiwan. Kayo, sa tingin ninyo, matutuloy ba ang pagpunta ni DeMarcus Cousins dito sa Philippines, where he'll play for the TNT Tropang Giga in the PBA? Leave your opinions down below in the comment section. That would be very much appreciated. But that'll be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Pero yun na muna para sa akin. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.